how to log in to your People's Pension account. Now, to do that, first open up your web browser and search for People's Pension and log in. And these are the options that will be presented on you. So just click on the first link available by the People's Pension, and after you click on the link, this page will load up, and here you can see different login links, that is one for the member, one for an employer, one for an advisor. So just click on member login, and then you'll be redirected to the another page. Now this might take some time for some people depending on their internet speed, but after it loads up it looks like this. So just enter your email ID, and password that you have used while creating the account, and after you've entered your correct credentials, just click on login and you'll get logged in to your People's Pension account. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.